Hi guys, welcome to Anam Recipes. In this video, we will see how to make a chicken slider. It's very easy and very delicious. So to know the recipe, please watch this video till end and also don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Let's get started.
First, let's make a dough. Take 2 cups of maida, 1 tablespoon of yeast, half tablespoon salt, add 5 tablespoon of milk, mix everything. Now keep adding little water. Do not add water at once or else it can become loose. We need to make this dough very soft. So add water as much as required. Knead for 4 to 5 minutes until it becomes very soft. Now add 1 tablespoon of butter. Again knead for 2 minutes. So the dough is done. Cover and keep aside for 1 hour. Make sure the container or a bowl has enough space for the dough to rise. Now let's make a chicken mixture. Add 2 tablespoon oil in pan. Add 1 medium size chopped onion. Fry until it turns light brown. Now add 2 pieces of chopped green chili. You can add more green chili if you want more spicy. Saute for 2 to 3 minutes. Now add 1 teaspoon salt, 1 tablespoon of oregano. Mix well. After you mix everything, add 200 grams of boiled chicken. You can also take a chicken keema. I have boiled the chicken and transferred into a grinder. It's totally up to you. Give it a good mix and saute for 2 to 3 minutes. Do not overcook because it can be hard. Now add 1 teaspoon black pepper. Mix well. Then it's done. Now after 1 hour we can see the dough has risen well. Again knead for 2 to 3 minutes. Now take a baking mold, grease with oil or butter. Now take some dough, roll them and place it on a tray. Make sure you take equal dough so after you bake the sizes will look equal. Now we will cover it and keep aside for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, let's start with the baking procedure. Take a big kadai, keep a stand, then keep a baking tray, cover the lid and cook for 20 to 25 minutes on a low flame. Now, after 20 minutes, we can see the bread has cooked well. Take it out and cool it for 10 minutes. Now, after 10 minutes, transfer in a plate. Again, grease the mold. Now, cut the bread into 2 slices and place half portion in a mold. Now, put some tomato ketchup. Also, you can add some spicy chutney if you want. Then add chicken mixture. Spread it nicely all over the bread. Then add some cheese slice. You can add as much as cheese you want. Then again add chicken mixture. Spread nicely all over the bread. Next, cover the other slice over the chicken mixture. After this, apply some egg mixture on top of the bread. You can use brush or spoon also. Then finally put some sesame. It's optional. If you want to skip this, you can skip. Then we need to bake this in OTG or a convection in 180 degree for 20 minutes. Now after 20 minutes we can see the chicken slider is done. Take it out and we can see the slider has turned out very nice and golden. The cheese has melted perfectly and it looked delicious. Do try this recipe and let me know how did you like this. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.